Discover how to unlock your savings and get that money where you need it, right now. First, unlock your phone and tap the Palmpay App icon to launch the application. Once you're in, look for the wallet icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen, and tap on it. This takes you to your account overview. Here, you'll see your total balance and your savings balance. Tap on the savings balance to proceed. Now, you should see the withdraw button. It's usually bright and easily visible. Tap on it. Choose where you want to withdraw your money. You can either select a bank account or to mobile money wallet. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure the amount is within your available balance and complies with any withdrawal limits. Then tap confirm. Double check the details on the confirmation screen, the amount, your bank account or mobile money details, and any applicable fees. Confirm to proceed. You might need to enter your transaction PIN or use biometric authentication to complete the withdrawal. Usually, your withdrawal will be processed immediately, but sometimes, depending on your bank, it might take a little longer to reflect in your account. If you encounter any problems, like a failed transaction, check your internet connection or contact Palmpay customer support. You can usually find help within the app's fact section.